At times, there is a large-scale and sudden release of energy in the interior of the Earth. This gives rise to rapid Earth movements. As the speed of these movements is high, these are called rapid Earth movements. These movements are destructive. The direction of the movement is vertical and radial. It leads to earthquakes and volcanoes. Earthquake. Let us learn more about earthquakes. Earth's crust is subject to stresses of great magnitude. If this stress exceeds critical limit, energy gets released suddenly and the Earth's surface shakes. This event is called an earthquake. Causes of the earthquake. Let us look at some of the causes of earthquakes. 1. Due to the movement of plates. 2. Their passage. 3. Their collision with one another. 4. Subsidence. 5. Eruption of volcanoes. 6. Faulting, etc. Measurement of earthquake waves. The instrument shown on the screen is a seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured in a Richter's scale with the help of an instrument called seismograph. Focus of an earthquake. The point below the surface where energy is released during an earthquake is called the focus of an earthquake. Epicenter of an earthquake. The epicenter of an earthquake is located on the surface at the point nearest to the focus. Energy waves are radiated in all directions towards the surface from the focus. Types of earthquake waves. Earthquake waves are of three types. 1. Primary waves. 2. Secondary waves. 3. Surface waves. Let us learn about the three waves in detail. Primary waves. These are the waves first to reach Earth's surface immediately after the energy is released in the interior. The waves traveling rapidly in radial direction are called primary waves. Due to these waves, the grains in the rocks move forward and backward in the direction of the waves. Secondary waves. Secondary waves reach the surface after primary waves. They radiate in all directions from the point of focus. The grains in the rock move perpendicular to the direction of the movement of the waves. These waves are very destructive. Surface waves. After primary and secondary waves reach the Earth's surface, a new set of waves is generated which spreads along the surface. Due to these waves, grains of the rocks move up and down and sideways. It is the most destructive wave. Volcanoes. The next rapid movement is volcanoes. When hot materials in the liquid, solid and gaseous form are ejected on the Earth's surface from the mantle, this process is called volcanic eruption. During an eruption, ash, water vapor, various types of gases, hot and molten rocks are thrown out in the form of lava. Types of volcanoes. Based on the nature of the eruption, we have two types of volcanoes. 1. Central vent volcano. 2. Fissure volcano. Now, we will learn in detail about these two volcanoes. Central vent volcano. In this type, the lava is released through a vent, a pipe-like opening. Ejected material settles at the mouth of the vent and gives rise to a conical volcanic mountain. Examples: Vesuvius in Italy and Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Fissure volcano. In this type, the lava is released through fissures or cracks. Lava spreads on either side of the fissure. Such a volcano is called a fissure volcano. It gives rise to a volcanic plateau. For example, the Maharashtra Plateau in India. The distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes. The world map shows us the distribution of earthquakes and active volcanoes which occur mainly in the areas of plate margins. Active volcanoes are more around the Pacific Ocean. Therefore, this region is called the Circle of Fire. St. Helens is an active volcano in North America, Cotopaxi in South America, Vesuvius and Mount Etna in Europe, Kilimanjaro in Africa. White land on the map indicates earthquake-prone zones. We find many volcanoes in the earthquake zones. Plates. Let us learn more about plates. The crust of the earth is floating on the mantle. Due to tension and compression caused by movements, the crust gets ruptured at some parts. These parts are called plates. On the Earth's surface, there are 7 major plates, namely Indo-Australian Plate, Eurasian Plate, Antarctic Plate, African Plate, North American Plate, South American Plate, and Pacific Plate. There are also few minor plates: Cocos Plate, Scotia Plate, Somali Plate, Arabian Plate, Caribbean Plate, Nazca Plate. Plates are formed along some margins, whereas they get consumed along some other margins. Continents and oceans rest over the plate surfaces. The continental crust is made up of Sial and oceanic crust is made up of Sima. Continents. What is a continent? The vast portions of land that appear over the sea level are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. Area-wise, we can arrange them in descending order as follows: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Shield. A shield exists in the interior parts of the continent. A shield is the land portion that is most ancient and has never been under the sea. For example, in Asia, there exists a separate shield known as the Deccan Plateau of India, which is to the southern part of Himalayas. It is a subcontinent named as Indian subcontinent.